Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Neetu Modgil. I'm ENT consultant working in Care Hospitals, Hyderabad. Now, patients, they do ask that how much the snoring, next topic we are going to start, which is about the nose, is the snoring. The snoring is not only the nose which is involved in it, but yes, 80-70% of the times, it is the nasal blockage which leads to snoring. In Telugu we can call gurka, night lo gurka vastundi appudu patients ki. So this is called snoring. The snoring impacts the life to certain level that patients can have heart diseases, patient can have stroke later on. So snoring is an alarm these days. It's an alarm for the next impending dreadful disease which can happen to you. So don't sit at home just snoring. If your partner is complaining that you are snoring at night time, take it seriously, because it's mandatory to breathe from nose. Why? Because nose helps in cleaning the air. It decreases or increases the temperature of the air you breathe from the nose to the body level, so that your lungs do not have that unhealthy temperature and unhealthy air. So it protects your lungs breathing from the nose. If you are not breathing from the nose and breathing from mouth, it will decrease the saliva will dry up, which leads to more sore throat in the patients. The patient will have dental caries too. So keeping these things in mind, it's important for the patients to breathe from the nose. Sometimes even after breathing from the nose, they have snoring. So that's the reason that patients with snoring should visit the doctor on time. Thank you.